as it demonstrates its outstanding capabilities in the gear shaving process, delivering superior results. Welcome to our latest video showcasing the SICMAT RASO 100S gear shaving machine. In this video, we'll take a closer look at this impressive machine in action at the company where we purchased and withdrew it. You'll have the opportunity to witness firsthand the machine's precision work as we did. Thanks to the user-friendly Siemens 810 CNC system, the operator interacts seamlessly with the machine, providing a smooth and efficient workflow. But that's not all. We'll also explore the machine's versatility in its capabilities, including its workpiece outside diameter of 200 millimeters and module range that goes from 0.5 millimeters to 5 millimeters. With a maximum face width of 100 mm, the SICMAT RASO 100S delivers unparalleled accuracy and precision in all aspects of the job. And that's not all. The SICMAT RASO 100S is still in excellent condition and complete in all its parts, guaranteeing long-term durability and top-of-the-line performance. Now we will take a closer look by entering the security cage that this company has installed. While approaching the machine, we noticed that the visibility was not the best, so we kindly asked to open up the plexiglass for a better view on the gear. Thank you for witnessing this machine in action as it demonstrates its outstanding capabilities in the gear shaving process, delivering superior results with unparalleled efficiency. Remember to subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed this short video. What do you think about this machine? Let us know in the comments section.